Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bringing news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For that, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. I'm a familiar setting. Emil Smith Rowe when they talk about in early life as a player, when he for academy. So Babako they talk say for the beginning, say he joined Chelsea Academy. So a lot of people don't know this one. Say he joined Chelsea Academy, but midway into the academy they can't reject him, and the reason we say he did too small that time. He gets people they push him anyhow. They fall for ground. They very skinny. So they can't say this guy no go be good player, Jared. So they can't pursue and say the team breaking hearts, make him mad. Say in family the person may go try out for Arsenal. He can't go for Arsenal. Arsenal can't accept them. Say ever since that motivation of that rejection, as soon as I enter Arsenal like this, say since then you no look back. That's why I see now I don't play for Arsenal setup. Now I don't invite him for England. Say sometimes rejection will be a springboard to push you to the top, to the highest level. So that's why I just did that. And even say before you join Chelsea, you reject Tottenham Hotspur, saying you don't want Tottenham Hotspur because Tottenham Hotspur don't follow for the big teams for England, for EPL. So that's what it's up now. But just talk the history, just to tell us what kind of things we don't know about that. Kevin Campbell don't come outside from media set himself. No say Kevin Campbell are one of our top pundits. So back on the talk say this Vlahovic now people they talk about say this guy could be very good fit for Arsenal because when you check the guy is very big, very strong, and he's a bit score goals. So you know they take IC post. The guy is very nice, they dribble and he's very fast. Say this guy go dey very good to use replace Lacazette because Lacazette don't come outside officially say they sign new contract. I don't know. Some people don't know this one. People they talk say why they want sell Lacazette, This guy say they sign contract extension. So go for Sam. So he guys go now, and if he go more collect more money for his head, that's the thing. So but get some kind of controversy with this Vlahovic head. We'll still get to that one. Arsene Wenger don launch the Invincibles film documentary yesterday. Yesterday they do the premiere, and for that premiere, Arsene Wenger second talk some kind things. So because say him greatest regrets for football, we say he sell Nicolas Anelka. Say this Nicolas Anelka, he was a great player at Arsenal back then. You get. Say this guy could have been a special talent, could have been an Arsenal legend. You get there for Arsenal. Instead, they can't sell him, he can't go play for 13 different clubs. You get, you say if you say it's still one place, you get everybody love you till the end. Before you know, you don't turn legend. If you don't build your statue for the club, instead, back on go after go play for different clubs. It's not the only regret when you get for footballing history. Well, away from that, some kind of Arsenal legends they attend the place. I think Lee Dixon come, Ian Wright come, even technical director Edu Gaspar said they there, our manager Ateta said they there, Charlie Watt to be Arsenal journalist. Some kind of top journalists have come around the premiere because officially November 22 this documentary go dey streamable for all those kind of Amazon Prime, Apple, but we never know whether I go enter Netflix and co. So well the wait now make the thing come and make we self go watch and make we see IB because they talk a lot of things about Arsenal. I know say this Invincible many clubs for Arsenal for England don't try whether they go fit do am, work. Even this season Liverpool said their aim now make nobody beat them. Everybody they try to match that. I think 58 games unbeaten wey Arsenal do. I think 58 or 59 games wey Arsenal do. So easy. Liverpool don't try. West Ham don't give them break. Say hey, stop there, I'm going nowhere. So this season now nobody fit still do am again until maybe next season. We'll see who go fit attempt am again because that fit dey very easy. So just take that one. They thank Arsene Wenger say don't give us that kind of history for our club. Well, man are still nice man sha. Even former Crystal Palace manager wey dem call Neil Warnock don talk say the best manager for EPL so far wey he don ever see na be Arsene Wenger. Say this Arsene Wenger when the guy first come Arsenal, the guy brought a lot of differences wey no really dey. Say and technology, the guy bring technology to dey assist the players, to dey monitor the players. The guy bring nutritionists for players. You get say the guy bring. Say the guy change a lot of things. So you say them will be coaches. If they watch the guy, they see what they do for Arsenal, they go they emulate them, they copy and say say no go live. Say for the whole of EPL from now till before, since the history of EPL, the greatest manager ever na be Arsene Wenger. If you want argue with your keyboard. I no go follow you argue. So that's it, just read. Our Vlahovic agent wey dem call Claudio Pascalin don come outside to clear the air. This one they talk say one thing they call am. This one he no answer us now. One thing. So wetin really sup be say say as this im client now na person be say he gets massive profile. Everybody dey attracted to am. Nobody Arsenal dey need this guy. Bayern Munich sef dey there. Real Madrid dey scam am. Top clubs. Everybody, Juventus, everybody dey for the mix now. So now we say the guy don dey available because no gree sign contract extension for Fiorentina. So Arsenal na be the front runners now. We don talk say according to report the Arsenal and Fiorentina CEOs don agree a fee. At the same time, Tottenham Hotspur sef dey for the mix. So Babacon dey talk say the reason why they never really give Arsenal listening ear, say make them with Arsenal sit down, na because they get a lot of offers. They go listen to everybody. Nobody gets sole proprietorship for this thing, or say one person get monopoly of the guy. Say okay, now only me one follow na talk, or now only me need that. Say they want listen to the camps of everybody. Say Bayern, say in clients get the numbers to play for Real Madrid. You get. Say Real Madrid na club. Obviously, if you be clients now, you no go see Real Madrid, come go join Arsenal. Don't see the guy dey talk. Say they want to know whether all these people will offer them anything, because officially from what we dey hear, it's not only Arsenal don agree fee. That's why I say this topic dey controversial, because I go give una a report of other journalists wey dey talk otherwise. They just want bust our brain, confuse us. So now wetin the agent Claudio Pascalin dey talk, say they dey wait for other offers from other clubs before they go decide where be the best place for Vlahovic to go improve in career. So na wetin be their own stand. Meanwhile, Ryan Taylor, wey be Daily Express journalist, dey come outside dey talk say, you see this Vlahovic matter, say Arsenal no really dey reason the guy. Say there's nothing in the links for Arsenal, because the guy come for social media, come post am. Say the only people wey know say dem dey really interested from the beginning until now, na be Tottenham Hotspur. The Tottenham Hotspur don tell them say they wan sign this guy. Say Arsenal no really dey scam the guy. Arsenal no dey look am at all. So all this conflicting news wey dey hear for the space, I no can understand which one we go believe, which one be true, which one be lie, because all these journalists when they talk all these things, they are very, very reputable. So which person reports we go believe? Now wetin dey confuse me. Even Charlie Watts, wey be Arsenal journalist, that one sef don come outside talk say Arsenal no really dey look this guy. Sure say Vlahovic no be Arsenal target. Arsenal no dey reason the matter at all. You get, see they no get eye for the guy. So all this news wey dey hear, say never hear anything. At least in the interview Mikel Arteta, in the go for Arsenal, they interview the CEOs, they interview people almost every day. They get daily reports. So you never hear anything like say we are looking for Vlahovic or one thing. Say Arsenal do dey scam the guy as a target. This one I can't confuse me. And wetin bring all those people come outside now, because Gianluca Di Marzio, wey be Sky Sports employee, don come outside, Sky Sports reporter, don come outside talk say Arsenal they try to get in touch with Vlahovic agents, but Vlahovic agents they pick their call. You get, say Vlahovic no want Arsenal. Now wetin make all these people come talk say why go talk say they don't want Arsenal? Wey be say originally Arsenal no even want the guy as a target. So all these reports come dey conflicting. We don't know who go believe. Is it that Arsenal and Fiorentina's CEOs don't agree a £68 million fee? Then we dey wait for Vlahovic to say okay, I go join you now. I be Arsenal no dey reason them at all. Which one we go believe? Na there we dey now, my people. I don't know who go believe, because all these journalists, all of them, they reputable. People say, me, I don't forget say Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside chook mouth for this matter. You get, say Baba no talk anything like say they call agents and one thing. So I no can know the one who go believe. So well, who the watch as go turn up now everything in January. I believe say as we approach January, everything will be clearer. We will know what's in the really saw. At the same time, Arsenal dey interested in Frank Kessie of AC Milan. You know, say now we so done they enter January. I no dey surprised say we go dey linked to many players. At the end of the day, nobody say we go sign all of them. If you be saying that one of them we go sign, but we go dey linked. Remember what happened for last window? Now we were linked to a lot of players, but at the end of the day, we sign one. Just like say enter market now, you go see onions, you go see tomatoes, you go see maggi, you go see this one. If you price different things, by the end of the day, now some you go buy, or you enter market now, you won't buy polo. You go see red polo where you like, you go see yellow polo where you like, you go see white, you go price. At the end of the day, what you go solve? You go buy one. Nobody say you go buy all of them. That's why you go be for this market. That's why we do sell in the market. They buy players, you get. So that's why we dey link to different people. So make some people no will complain say every time we are interested, every time we are linked, how many will they buy? So now wetin really so now we dey interested in Frank Kessie, and the guy said they're interested in coming to EPL. So now whether we go really buy this guy for January, now I never know. Well, our hope is say Mo will really buy him, because I don't say January we go buy, but we never really know who we go buy. We just dey linked. At the end of the day, one of these linked people now we will still buy last. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon wey dey there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you say we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.